Ready to up your editing game? 'Cause Guided Edits have got you covered. Learn how to flex your creativity with step-by-step help for everything from basics like color correction and straightening to the fun stuff like modern duotones, double exposures, and color pop. Cute! Wanna perfect your landscapes? You got it. Move or scale any part of your photo? Done. You can give your kiddo an epic backdrop. Or get rid of the tourists cluttering up your shots. Nice. Check out the Pattern Brush Guided Edit to add a touch of glam. Or to show the love. With 58 guided edits to choose from, you can start impressing your friends and yourself in no time.